What's up guys, it's me Geek. So if you are looking for a good quality case, a case which can protect your Osmo Pocket, then this is a case. So normally you can just put your Osmo Pocket like this, but I won't recommend like this. I will recommend to put using the case which it come, or just using like a hard case like this one. Okay, because you can easily damage the gimbal if you are not careful. Now you see it's ready, and I use this case to put inside. Okay, as you can see, wow. So my gimbal is protected. I can put some like accessories if I want, and I close. Wow, I mean, this is literally hard. I mean this is hard. When I say hard, then I literally mean hard. This is one of the best cases you can buy for your Osmo Pocket. Okay, it even comes with a Caribbean clip, as you can see here. But literally this thing is hard. I mean hard. Yeah, you just can't go wrong with it. The link will be in the description box. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي